Hi guys, it is Freshie week on BBS Live. That's upside down. But I'm bringing these monkeys in. So come on and join us. Peace! Come on guys. Peace! Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me for another shave and scent the day. We're doing family shave today. And what are we using? We are using Ariana Nevin's Limoncello. This Freshie week, bbs.live. So we're using that. We're using a AKA brush. Purdy. Reed, what is your razor?
I don't know.
Well, just show it close. Okay. Jackson, what is your razor? Nice. And my razor is the R41. With a feather. Some good stuff. And is that it? Nope. I have 11 shaving balm. And for Freshie week, we're going John Varvatos Artisan Pure. You want to smell?
That smells good. I smelled it.
Okay.
That smells good.
All right. So this is what we're doing. All right. I will get us going, and I will add the lather to all of us. So there you go. Instead of adding a little nugget to all of us, I'm just going to load right from this. I think it will be fine.
What are you doing? You're gonna cut yourself.
All right.
No, there's no blade. Oh, never mind. No. Do I take my glasses off?
You can leave them on if you want to.
Look at my glasses.
Gonna work all of our lathers. Good stuff.
I feel so weird.
Insert himself into the situation on the night the house showed up unannounced. Actually tried to kick him out.
All right, just leave those and I'll get mine going. And then I'll work out all of ours.
Jackson barely has any.
You don't need much. I'm gonna work a lot of water into it.
You have a ton.
I have a big face. Good stuff. Oh, it smells so good. You guys feel free to...
Jackson, why'd you lick it?
You guys feel free to say what you think about the smell.
He licked the whole
All right, close your eyes.
Daddy, something on the bottom of my lip is burning.
It is. No, you'll be fine. I know. I'm getting ready to work it. Good stuff. Oh, good stuff.
Is it on my lip?
Possible.
No, it's not.
There we go.
Oh, Jackson, make sure you
Working
get
that boy.
your ear.
Working that old boy.
No, it's not a shirt. Probably not mine too.
All right.
Yeah.
There we go. I think these dudes are ready. I need some more work, but these dudes are ready.
Why do you need more?
Because it's still pretty pasty. Ah, what is the smell? Huh? What is the smell, dudes?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Lemon. It smells like kind of lavender with like lemon in it. Like
Oh,
lavender
alright.
and lemon mixed.
Okay.
That's what it smells like to me.
It's very lemony. So good.
It's like lavender lemon. What, Jackson?
You got a problem, Jackson?
I think so.
On the bottom of my lip hurts.
Don't be complaining on YouTube.
There you go, Stank. Stank old booty. All right. So, what do you got? Where are you guys' razors?
I have mine.
Okay. So, here we go. Hang on. Do you guys need this to get more grip on your fingers?
What the?
Yeah.
Put it in my pocket.
Good. No, just wipe your fingers on it. It just gives you better grip.
What the heck? That feels so weird.
You guys are a bunch of stanks.
That feels
All right.
so...
We ready? Let's shave.
Well, I remember you dropped your brush one time.
I did. I broke it.
Yeah, that was bad.
Oh, what a great razor.
Jackson, can you even see yourself?
Oh, so good. So good. So good. Sweet Caroline. I am a big stanky, but so good. So good. So good. Oh, what a great shave.
Daddy,
Love this razor so much. What, buddy? Get yourself all cleaned up. Yeah, good job. Good job, Stankerous Booterius.
The bottom won't wash off.
We'll keep working. Look,
Oh, there.
there you go.
That worked.
Oh,
What, did you get cut?
no, I'm so ready for the shave.
You said you wanted to go to bed.
I still want to go to bed, but I really want to get this shave in.
And that's what you're doing.
That is correct.
Are we doing this a second time?
Yeah, I'm going to do it a bunch of times. I'm going to do it like 84 times. What?
What, Jackson?
What's the matter, Stinky
I
Butt?
don't know.
What? Need some help, buddy?
I wish I got the gold one. That one looks easier.
There you go. Is that better?
I can't get it off.
Here,
I can't
hang
get
on.
Oh,
Close your eyes. There you go. Work it.
Help it.
Work it, Mr. Tootie Poots.
I can't tell if it's all off. I can't. Is it? I think maybe it's all gone.
Guys, there ain't nothing better than this. It's absolutely nothing better than this.
Are being sarcastic?
Mm-mm. Not a bit.
It's on my ear. I can't get it on my ear. This one? I can't tell if it's all gone.
This limoncello is so awesome. What do you guys think about the scent of this?
I think it smells good.
Yeah? All right, you close your eyes. Reed, close your eyes.
I think I have some on my glasses. Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, you probably do.
How is it still spraying?
Look, we tried to do everything. We actually had a little
We're doing it again.
Yeah, of course. You're doing it right.
politics. It really was. It was a night that I kicked Tucker out of the house. And she agreed to go get some help. And the next day, Tracy brought her there. And then she ended up molting.
Perfect.
Said that this attention wasn't necessary. And then she was really... And then we started
So good. Just such a fantastic cream. I might add a little more water to mine.
You gotta get your ear.
Oh, shaving your ear is the best. Such good stuff. There you go. Good job. There you go.
It's on my neck.
That's neck is
Yeah,
good.
that's
Shave your
what you're
neck.
supposed to do.
Go ahead, shave your neck. Oh, such good stuff.
to let me know when Johnny and Katie's flight is about to land.
So much fun doing this. Man, I love it.
So that this reunion is drama-free. Take him to the tack house and they're going to be Claire for the first time.
Oh, wow, that's a big family moment.
You have so much soap on this.
Mm-hmm.
Wish me luck, okay?
Oh man, that lemon is so good. What do you think about that lemon scent?
Good.
It's super fresh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it really is. So good. So good. So good. So good.
Sweet Caroline.
Mm-mm-mm.
Well, I remember on the last day of school when we had so we had 5th grade and 6th grade and 7th grade
Mm-hmm.
and 8th grade come to our school, and they basically put on like they played music and stuff, and they played that.
Nice.
You
Get
were
rid of that
there.
Harry water. That's Harry water and what? Name it.
So sweet.
Harry Potter and the soap? I don't think that's a thing.
You have a cut.
Or whatever. How about Harry Potter and
And another
the
one.
Sorcerer's Stone? Do you want that one? Or which one?
I don't know that. I don't.
What the heck? Here, go ahead. Go ahead, Jacksonian. With your Caledones. That's a lot of hair there. What? You need help? Here. Good.
Back.
Here. Let me help you, Mr. Stinking Butt. There you go. All right. Oh, dang it. Got myself there and there.
And then on
Whatever.
the side too.
Yeah, on the side of your face. All right. We'll do a little clean up.
You're doing it again?
Yeah, a little cleanup pass.
Am I doing it again?
Yeah, why not? If you want to.
Uh,
You don't have to.
I'll do it again.
Mr. Bootery Tootery.
How do you not cut yourself that much?
Yeah, well, I mean, I cut myself some, obviously.
that much.
No, it's just being, just barely touching. Like no pressure. Just barely touching your skin.
I love it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want my.
All right, here you go. Here you go, stankery bootery.
I don't have it. Jackson, this side of the face.
Here you go, bootery dootery.
Where do I put the razor?
This is so fun to do.
Where do I put my razor?
Are you done?
Hmm?
You put it in the sink. It's so cool to do together, all of us. I love it. God, such a good shave. Heck yes. All right.
Daddy,
Is that a good shave?
I want the soap back for my.
Hey, we're going to get it off of you. Do you want to get off of that and just hand over here? And I will clean you guys off. Hang on.
Okay, no one can see me.
Everybody can see me. I'm right in front of the camera. And I'm the only one in front of the camera.
No, we're just going to clean you off, Jackson. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm taking over Brandon's head. This person is not taking over Brandon. Hey, I am.
Oh, that's good. Does that feel good?
Yeah.
All right, where is my towel? We need a towel. Can you grab a towel? Good stuff.
It's getting all wet.
Yeah, I know. Yep, just grab a towel. Anyone.
Not one. Oh, wet.
Yep, that'll work. Okay.
I'll see this one.
No. I'll take care of both of you with the same towel. There, how's that feel? Feel good? Oh, there you go.
Nothing's gonna stop me.
All right,
All
you
the
guys
way
want to
up.
step up and say goodbye?
Hi. Bye.
Bye.
God, what a great shave.
Hi again.
Mm-hmm.
Bye again.
Hi again, bye again, hi again, bye again, hi again, bye again.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi. Hi. Bye. Hi. Bye.
they're not annoying at all.
Hi. Hi. Bye.
Mm.
Hi. Bye. Hi. Bye.
All right, do you guys want post-shave products also?
What?
Post-shave products also.
What's that mean?
Good stuff.
The heck?
Here we go. I'll take care of all of you.
Jackson's so strong.
All right, Jacksonian, Caledonian, telephones.
And I'm tall.
How's that smell?
Good.
Okay,
That burns. That burns.
that's a good burn.
Wait, if it...
That burns.
It's good. It's good for you. Gets you nice and clean.
That doesn't burn.
No, he's being a fart lips.
He is.
My turn. Oh, so good.
That smells good.
Yeah, it does. It smells awesome.
Mom's gonna cook me up and eat me.
What? Who's gonna cook you up and eat you?
Mom.
Mom?
Mom!
Mom?
Yeah.
You probably don't even taste good. Nobody wants that. A bunch of fart lips. All right, and are you guys ready for the other goodness?
What? Now?
Here we go.
What's that?
Good stuff.
I don't want that on me.
No, make sure skin feels super, super nice. And with all the sun that you got today, this will be really good for you.
Wait, you bleeding?
I'm not.
No. Now you guys rub it in. Why are you bleeding?
No, you got blood on me.
How? I don't have it on me.
No, you have it on your finger, see?
I know, from you.
No.
All right, you guys rub it in.
Because I'm not bleeding.
I know, rub it in.
Because I didn't have a blade.
Ah, so good stuff. Is your skin feeling good, dudes?
It doesn't feel any different.
Daddy, I can see a little bit of blood on your chin.
Oh, right there. Yeah, no worries. No big deal. You looking good? Yeah. You're looking good. How you looking? Yeah, there we go. All right. We've had a fantastic shave today. Thank you guys so much for joining, and peace.